Doesn't snow all that often in Oklahoma. So when you have the opportunity, you've got to sled any way you can. Tell me, would the reasonable person do this? All right, I'm rolling. All right. Here's the Winter Sports Wonderland. The family. Excellent. Was it reasonable? Liability for negligence depends on whether the defendant breached the duty to exercise reasonable care. But generally, the law itself doesn't provide an answer to whether specific conduct was reasonable. The attorneys can argue about it, but ultimately, it's up to a jury. What do you think, America? It's time to vote. Was it reasonable care? You can vote in the comments below, but before you do, keep in mind that was actually me and my family, and I think it was reasonable. There was, the K-rail, Jersey wall, the barrier to keep us from going into the freeway sledding. That embankment's one of the few good slopes in town, so thank you for playing. Was that reasonable?